Welcome to the AI Pulse. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is everywhere. It's like that catchy song you can't get out of your head, but instead of a melody, it's transforming our world. Within the vast realm of AI, there are two heavyweights battling it out for the championship: machine learning, or ML, and deep learning, or DL. Don't worry, this isn't a cage match with robots wrestling, though that would be cool to watch. Think of ML and DL as different approaches to training computers. ML is like teaching your dog a new trick. You give it commands, reward good behavior, and correct mistakes. With enough repetition, your furry friend learns the trick. DL, on the other hand, is like the brainiac kid in class who aces every test without breaking a sweat. It figures things out on its own by analyzing massive amounts of data, like a superpowered detective. In this epic AI smackdown, we'll explore the differences and similarities between ML and DL, uncover their real-world applications, and understand their impact on our tech-driven world. Get ready for a wild ride through the exciting world of AI. Now, imagine teaching your dog to fetch. You throw the ball, say fetch, and if your pup brings it back, you shower it with praise and maybe a treat. Repeat this enough times and your dog learns to associate the command, fetch, with grabbing the ball and bringing it back. That's essentially how ML works, minus the slobbery tennis balls. In ML, we feed the computer data like throwing the ball and give it a task, like fetching. We then use algorithms to help the computer learn from the data and improve its performance on the task. It's like rewarding your dog for a successful fetch. Through repetition and feedback, the computer eventually learns to perform the task accurately, just like your furry friend mastering the art of fetching. Deep learning takes inspiration from the human brain, specifically its network of interconnected neurons. These neurons process and transmit information, allowing us to learn, think, and make decisions. DL mimics this structure with artificial neural networks, complex structures that can process vast amounts of data and learn intricate patterns. Think of DL as the brainiac kid in class who can solve complex equations without breaking a sweat. While other students struggle with the basics, the DL whiz kid is already mastering advanced concepts. Just like this whiz kid, DL algorithms can sift through mountains of data, identify subtle patterns, and make accurate predictions, often surpassing human capabilities. For example, imagine teaching a computer to recognize cats in pictures. With ML, you might have to manually define features like pointy ears or whiskers for the computer to identify a cat. DL, however, can learn these features on its own by analyzing millions of cat pictures. It's like the DL algorithm is saying, "Don't worry, I got this," as it breezes through the task. While both ML and DL fall under the umbrella of AI, they have some key differences. Remember our dog training analogy? ML is like teaching your dog tricks with commands and rewards, while DL is like your dog suddenly understanding complex concepts on its own. One key difference lies in the way they learn. ML relies on structured data and explicit instructions like feeding your dog information about what constitutes a fetch. DL, however, can learn from unstructured data, like a jumble of cat pictures, and figure out the defining characteristics of a cat without explicit instructions. Another difference is their level of complexity. ML algorithms are generally simpler and require more human intervention. DL algorithms, on the other hand, are more complex and can often operate with less human guidance, like a self-sufficient detective solving a case. Think of it this way. ML is like building a bicycle. You need to assemble the parts correctly, but it's a manageable task. DL is like building a spaceship. It's far more complex and requires a deeper understanding of intricate systems. Joining forces similarities between ML and DL. Despite their differences, ML and DL share a common goal: to enable machines to learn from data and make intelligent decisions. They're like two superheroes with different powers but fighting for the same cause: a world where machines can assist humans in countless ways. Both ML and DL rely on algorithms to analyze data and extract meaningful insights. They both require large data sets to learn effectively, just like a chef needs a variety of ingredients to create a delicious meal. Moreover, both ML and DL are constantly evolving, with researchers developing new algorithms and techniques to push the boundaries of what's possible. It's like a thrilling race, where MEL and DL are constantly trying to outdo each other, leading to incredible advancements in AI. Ultimately, ML and DL complement each other, with each approach excelling in different areas. It's like having both a trusty wrench and a high-powered drill in your toolbox. Each tool has its strengths, and together they equip you for a wider range of tasks. ML in action, from spam filters to online shopping recommendations. Machine learning is quietly working its magic in many aspects of our daily lives. Remember that annoying spam folder in your email? That's ML at work, diligently filtering out unwanted messages so you don't have to. It's like having a personal assistant tirelessly sorting through your mail, ensuring only the important stuff reaches your inbox. Ever wondered how online stores seem to know exactly what you're looking for? That's ML-powered recommendation engines analyzing your browsing history, purchase patterns, and preferences to suggest products you might like. It's like having a personal shopper who knows your taste better than you do, always ready with the perfect suggestions. ML is also used in fraud detection, helping banks and financial institutions identify suspicious transactions and prevent financial losses. It's like having a vigilant security guard constantly monitoring for suspicious activity, keeping your hard-earned money safe. From filtering spam to recommending products, ML is quietly making our lives easier and more efficient. It's like the invisible hand that keeps things running smoothly, allowing us to focus on the things that matter most. Deep learning, with its ability to learn complex patterns from vast amounts of data, is making waves in areas that were once considered the exclusive domain of science fiction. Facial recognition, once a futuristic concept, is now a reality thanks to DL algorithms that can identify faces with remarkable accuracy. It's like having a super-powered security system that can recognize you from a crowd. Self-driving cars, another futuristic concept rapidly becoming reality, rely heavily on DL algorithms to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and make split-second decisions. It's like having a super-powered chauffeur who never gets tired or distracted, ensuring a safe and comfortable ride. DL is also transforming healthcare with algorithms that can analyze medical images to detect diseases like cancer at earlier stages, potentially saving countless lives. It's like having a superpowered doctor who can see things the human eye can't, providing more accurate diagnoses and personalized treatment plans. From facial recognition to self-driving cars and life-saving medical diagnoses, DL is pushing the boundaries of what's possible, making the future look brighter and more exciting. It's like the engine of innovation, propelling us towards a future once thought impossible. In today's tech-driven world, ML and DL are no longer just buzzwords. They're essential tools driving innovation across industries. From personalized recommendations on your favorite streaming platform to life-saving medical diagnoses, ML and DL are transforming our lives in countless ways. Imagine a world without ML and DL. Our inboxes would be flooded with spam, online shopping would be a guessing game, and self-driving cars would remain a distant dream. These technologies are not just making our lives easier and more convenient, they're also solving complex problems and creating new possibilities. As we generate more data than ever before, the ability of ML and DL to extract meaningful insights from this data becomes increasingly valuable. These technologies are helping us make sense of the world around us, from understanding customer behavior to predicting natural disasters. The importance of ML and DL extends beyond their practical applications. They're also challenging our understanding of intelligence, pushing the boundaries of what machines can achieve, and prompting us to rethink the relationship between humans and technology. The future of AI, however, is not about ML and DL battling it out for supremacy. It's about these technologies working together, complementing each other's strengths, and creating a future where AI augments human capabilities and helps us solve some of the world's most pressing challenges. Imagine a future where AI helps us develop personalized learning plans, provides real-time translation services, and accelerates drug discovery. This future is not that far-fetched, thanks to the rapid advancements in ML and DL. However, the future of AI is not without its challenges. Ethical considerations, data privacy, and the potential displacement of jobs are important issues that need to be addressed as we continue to develop and deploy AI systems. The key to unlocking the full potential of AI lies in responsible development and deployment, ensuring that these technologies are used for good and benefit humanity as a whole. It's a journey that requires collaboration, open dialogue, and a shared commitment to shaping a future where AI empowers everyone. In the grand AI smackdown, there is no clear winner. ML and DL are not rivals, but rather partners in the quest to create intelligent machines that can learn, adapt, and solve complex problems. Like two sides of the same coin, they complement each other, each bringing its unique strengths to the table. As we continue to generate more data and develop more sophisticated algorithms, the impact of ML and DL will only grow more profound. From personalized medicine to sustainable energy solutions, these technologies hold the key to solving some of humanity's biggest challenges. The future of AI is bright, and it's being shaped by the powerful duo of ML and DL. By embracing these technologies responsibly and harnessing their power for good, we can create a future where AI empowers us all to live healthier, more fulfilling lives. So buckle up and enjoy the ride as ML and DL continue to revolutionize our world, one algorithm at a time.